Alright guys, here today we have the third mod I'm going to be doing on my truck. This here is the JLT catch can. It's the 3.0 version. This catch can holds 3 ounces of liquids, so it should, normal use, get you between each oil change, no problem. Probably recommend you check it probably every 2,000 to 2,500 miles. I'll be checking mine at 1,000 miles. I'll show that in a later video. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to install it. Today, the tools that we're going to use is a Phillips screwdriver and a 13mm wrench. The 13mm wrench is to put use the factory bolt to attach the bracket, and the screwdriver is to attach the bracket to the top of the catch can. Let's go ahead and disassemble this, see what that looks like. Here's the 3-ounce container, billet aluminum. Seems to be pretty good quality. Here's the filter. I know I was looking at a bunch of reviews and I didn't really see the bottom of the filter. So the air comes in, and here's 3 layers of filters to filter out the oil and other contaminants and help them just drop off into the can while the air circulates back through here. Clean air out this end. Go ahead and put it back on. The hoses are the same length, so you'll want to make sure that you put the clean side going back into the clean side. Let's double check one more time. Dirty side. All right, the dirty side will be the side of the T for this particular catch can. Clean side will be over here with the L. It's already threaded and tapped for you. Go ahead and finger start these. Make sure we got a good thread. Don't want to cross thread it. All right. Let's go ahead and install this bracket. Hey guys, here is my latest mod. It's the JLT 3.0. As you can see, it has 2 hoses coming from it, one from the clean side and one from the dirty side. The dirty side will be the left, which goes into the PVC valve opening, and the other is on the right, which goes to the manifold. And it has OEM style snap fittings, which is pretty nice. However, I do have one little disclaimer. I didn't read the instructions. I figured after watching a couple YouTube videos it would be just a cinch. But something they don't really mention, or maybe they did mention, I just missed it, is this O-ring. Well, the O-rings and the fittings need to be lightly lubed. So I highly suggest you lightly lube, or you will be making a trip to the parts house to get some O-rings. Yeah, so guys, in final thoughts, this was a pretty easy install. Very vital install for the direct injection engines. I have more mods on the way, so please stay tuned. And if you don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.